Welcome back to our channel, that is Art Cultural Festival. This is Nagma Shamim and I hope you have enjoyed my last two videos that was on color palette knife and the brushes, and especially for the beginners. And here I am with my next video that is on colors. And today's video I'm going to say the key differences between oil color and acrylic color. I mostly work on acrylic color, but as I'm mastering fine arts, I have worked on both medium. So if I say about my experience, I know the key differences between the oil and acrylic color. So let's begin with the basic differences between two media. When we talk about oil painting, which is quite historical, if you see the work of our old masters, they all are in oil colors. Whereas acrylic painting, which is 20th century invention, as after industrial revolution the pigments were easily available and it was a huge amount of acrylic color was produced. That's why it was more cheaper, it was more easily available to artists. So after that acrylic became more popular and it is popular till date. So let's move to the another point, which is difference between two mediums. So the basic difference is their characteristics and compositions. So while we talk about composition, that is this very basic and very obvious that oil is oil based and acrylic is water based, while oil color is made up of dry oils mixed with different pigments, and acrylic is made from acrylic acid with same pigments and all. And when we talk about the material and the surface, so acrylic is something you can paint over anything like canvas, board, paper or anything. But when we talk about oil, you have to prepare canvas and a basic board because it's a very long process. Oil always need a long time to paint. As it is oil based, it takes long time to dry, and acrylic, which is very fast, and you can your layer can dry quickly within 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So this is the key difference. So when we talk about working art, you can see here we have a oil based painting and this is acrylic. This is done by our in-house artist Shreya and this is only by me. So while I was talking about the working hours, so Shreya was able to complete this in 8 days because of the oil based color, which is hard to dry, and it completely depends on the temperature or the moisture where you work. And this took me around 3 days because it was so easy because the layer I was applying, which was getting dry very easily, and I could work continuously on this. So it took me just 3 days. So this is the key difference while we talk about the working hour. Next we can move to the linings or strokes. If you are more into graphic things, if you're more into hard edges or more graphic kind of things, you can use acrylic color for that, because oil always gives you time to smudge the colors, because it dry very late, so you get lot of time to smudge or blend the colors. So the blending of color is more powerful on oil color. The smoothness can be also achieved on acrylic color, but you have to be so fast. You have to paint very fast on acrylic color because it dries very soon. When I talk about myself, I use acrylic color more, and lots of people say that when acrylic color gets dry, it's get the darker tone of the color which you apply. But my opinion is that I have never seen such changes of colors because whatever color I used to apply, I get the same result. So wearing oil color, you might have seen the paintings of our old master, we can take the Mona Lisa, which got yellowish after a time because of the oil present on that oil color. But this is not, I can't say that don't use oil because it gets yellowish after time. But the positive thing about oil color is it's very long lasting, and our old masters paintings, you can go to the art history and you can check out how old are they, and they still exist to us. And when we talk about the pricing or costing of the colors, oil is always obviously costly because it has a lots of pigments, and for oil painting you just not need only colors, you need more oil like linseed oil, turpentine oil. But when we talk about acrylic, you just need acrylic paint tubes and just water. So after finishing the both medium paintings, you always need a fixative. But there is a difference. When you go for oil color, you will have to ask for varnish, and for acrylic it's just simply fixative spray. And a very most important thing you should always keep in your mind, for acrylic you can just fix the color immediately after the color gets dry, but for oil you have to apply the varnish after 6 months of the painting when it gets completed. When your painting is completed, you can see a huge difference. The effect on acrylic color is always plastic, and whereas in oil color it is kind of a glossy effect. Just because I personally use acrylic color, you don't need to be stick to acrylic only, because both medium are fantastic in themselves. So give a try to both medium, whatever suits you, go with that.
So that concludes today's episode, oil versus acrylic paints. Thank you so much, Nagma. Nagma is a Master of Fine Arts from Aligarh Muslim University, so she knows her paints very well. Nagma primarily works with acrylics, but she does have experience working with oil, and these were her differences she has noticed working in both mediums. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and